Good afternoon, everyone. Hope we're all well. Welcome back to Dennis and Michelle's Garage Railway. Update on this end-to-end I'm building for someone. Painted the back and the front, and he wanted on trestles, so I've built the legs and painted them all sturdy, and finished all the wiring for the lights and the cars he wanted on there. Braking heavy. Looks quite impressive at night, as you can imagine. Still a bit more to do, then I can hand it over to him. My next project after this, someone's asked me to put new point motors on there, gauge 1. Should do a video of that when that comes. I will do a video of running. I haven't done that yet. Too busy doing the final bits on it. But happy the way it's turned out. I sent him a video and he's very happy. Okay, well, thank you very much who watched my video. Please leave any comments, tick the box. I'm gradually building my subscriptions up to 199 now. Thank you very much for all those. Hope I get some more. Take care. We'll see you again. Bye for now.